Hello guys, today in this video we will learn how to collect blood sample safely and properly. Whenever we collect blood sample, first of all we have to sanitize our hands and gloves have to be worn. After that, fill the vein and tie the tourniquet. Tell the patient to put his thumb inside and close his fist. Then we need to use cotton swab to clean the entire sample collection area and let it dry before inserting the needle. The needle has to be inserted into the vacutainer. Then we have to smoothly pick the needle into the vein, and then we have to collect the sample by following the order of draw. We currently have 3 tubes: yellow, purple and grey. First we have to take the SST means yellow tube, then EDTA means purple tube and fluoride means grey tube. After collection, we have to slowly and smoothly take out the needle and put cotton there so that no blood comes out. And finally, after 30 seconds, we have to apply a bandage or IV.